Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix spacebar or enter key is not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Click Keyboard, turn off sticky keys, turn off filter keys, turn off toggle keys. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.